Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom not working. To know how to fix or how to solve Google Classroom not working, you should just go settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Google Classroom. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on force stop. Then we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. If you'll find your update in this blue sign, you can update your app, or you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.